Morning, everybody. Our today's topic is basic unit of the International SI unit. Standard of measurement. They are divided into two, fundamental and derived units. The basic unit or fundamental or derived unit, as the head of the SI, is a short list of the base unit or fundamental units defined in absolute way without referring to any other units. The base units are consistent with the part of the metric system called the MKS system. In all, there are 7 SI base units. The meter for distance, the kilogram for mass, the second for time, the ampere for electric current, the Kelvin for temperature, the mole for the amount of substance, and the candela for the intensity of light. Here we can see it. These are the 7 fundamental units. So if you have questions, I'll wait for you next time. Have a nice time.